everyone, welcome back to Jhuxtello iTech, your go-to channel for all things tech-related. I'm Jesther, and today we have a game changer for you. Ever found yourself struggling with PDF files, wishing you could easily convert them to Word or perform other tasks without the hassle? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert PDF to Word and more, using some fantastic online tools. Let's dive right in. So the go-to tool we'll be using today is ilovepdf.com. It's a fantastic online platform that offers a variety of PDF tools. First things first, open up your browser and head over to ilovepdf.com. Once you're on the website, navigate to the PDF to Word tool. Here, you can easily convert your PDF files to editable Word documents. Click on Select PDF File, choose the file you want to convert, and hit Convert to Word. It's that simple. Now you can easily edit your PDF content in a Word document. But wait, there's more. ilovepdf.com offers a plethora of other tools. Need to merge multiple PDF files into one? No problem. Just head over to the Merge PDF tool. And if you ever need to split a PDF into separate pages, the Split PDF tool has got you covered. The website also provides tools for compressing PDFs, converting PDFs to other formats, and more. Now, let me walk you through the website's user-friendly interface. It's clean, straightforward, and ensures you can perform these tasks without breaking a sweat. Take a moment to explore the various tools available, and you'll find that ilovepdf.com makes handling PDFs a breeze. And there you have it, folks. Converting PDF to Word and more has never been easier thanks to ilovepdf.com. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to Jhuxtello iTech for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover in the next video, drop a comment down below. Until next time, I'm Jesther, signing off. Happy teching.